Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial in OpenBox Tech channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your new account of Threads account here. So Threads is a new text-based application which is connected to Instagram here. So if you want to deactivate your Threads account, you just have to go to this profile icon here, tap on it in the right corner. This will take you to your profile. And in the right corner, you see there's a two-line option here, right beside the Instagram icon. So just tap on this two-line menu, and you just have to then go to your account option here. And here in the second line, you will find the option called Deactivate Profile. So you just have to tap on Deactivate Profile. Then you just have to tap on Deactivate Threads Profile here. So if you want to deactivate profile, it will deactivate profile for temporary, and your profile replies, likes and threads all will be hidden until you log back again in your Threads profile. So you just have to deactivate Threads profile and just tap on this deactivate, and this will deactivate your profile and you will be logged out from the Thread account. So that's it guys, this is how you can deactivate your Threads profile by Instagram app here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.